We spent 3 days touring the Scottish Highlands. This beautiful cottage was our home base. Let us show it to you. Let us show you this beautiful cottage that we rented in Scotland. When you first enter the cottage, it's a boot room or a mud room where you can come, take off your muddy shoes, put on clean shoes, a place to hang your coats, also a nice large sink in case you need to wash your hands, and then there's also a washer and dryer. Just off the mudroom, we have the first bedroom. The first bedroom has 2 twin beds in it, which was great for the boys. Had plenty of natural light inside from this great big window up top, and then a smaller lower window. The bedroom also had an ensuite bath with a full-size tub and shower. Again, a great room, great bedroom to have the boys sleep in. Coming out the first bedroom is this beautiful bench leading into the second bedroom. The second bedroom had a queen-size bed. Another ensuite bath with a separate shower and tub. Coming back from the bedroom, we're going to enter into the kitchen and the great room. This is where we spent most of our time here. The kitchen was a great space for the family to eat, have fun, talk, play games.
So it was a full kitchen, and I love the kitchen where everything is hidden behind the door. I love the kind of open the door and see what's there. The microwave hidden behind the door. Trash is right here behind this. And here is the refrigerator and the freezer. It's just a great space, lovely inside, and then the classic farm kitchen sink.
Below the kitchen was the family room with wall-to-wall windows, views of the farm below. The great room featured an antler chandelier that gave the house a warm lodge feeling. The upstairs room is a highlight of the home, but first we'll take a look outside. With multiple doors leading outside, the outdoor area had a seated area and a hot tub. At the top of the stairs is the master bedroom with the floor-to-ceiling windows. Every day we were able to wake up to beautiful views of the rural countryside.
This room also had a leaf chandelier. I love the metal chandelier. It is really beautiful because I just woke up every morning and it just drew me in as I looked up quickly and saw this chandelier.
The best part of this bedroom was the bathroom. The bathroom featured a full-size shower with rainfall shower head, a vanity, and a separate toilet. Each bathroom also came with 2 bathrobes. Of the homes we rented in Scotland, this one was our favorite. If you like this content, be sure to like and subscribe to follow along with our family adventures.